Okay, linear functions part 2, slope-intercept form. This is the first one you started with in grade 10, y equals mx plus b. So the idea is the same as last time, just a little more algebra for this. So if we have a quick look at the first example, okay, determine the slope-intercept equation of the line with a slope of -4 passing through 2, 1. All right, so first we start by writing y equals mx plus b. Pretty straightforward. Okay, that's the slope, so that's m. So y equals -4 x plus b. And why we need the one point to go through is because that's x and that's y. So we go 1 equals -4 times the x, so -2, plus b. See how we only have one variable now? So now we just solve for b. All right, so this is 1 equals 8 plus b, and then -8 minus 8, and then b equals -7. Of course, that's not our answer because we need the equation, so that's y equals -4x minus 7, and there you have it. Woohoo! Okay, so that's cool. All right, so example 2, same as last time. Now I just give you 2 points. Okay, the nice part is, in this form, you're going to get the same answer regardless of which point you pick, because that's now going to, here, let me just flip back. Okay, so now this part is going to carry on and go right down to this stage. Like, we're going to miss this whole middle part. Like, we're not going to be doing that. We're just going to jump right to the y equals mx plus b part. So, all right, moving forward. Okay, so we need to find the slope first. So slope equals, okay, so -4 minus 2, right? I'm going this way, minus a -5 minus, so -5 minus 5, okay, plus, so this ends up with -2 over -10, so we have a slope of positive 1/5. All right, so that's easy enough. Now, just pick a point. It doesn't matter which one. How about we pick this one? I don't know, because it's first. Okay, so again, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so the slope we just figured out was 1/5, so 1/5 x plus b. Okay, and then we put the coordinates that we chose. So -2 equals 1/5, and our x for that is 5, plus b. Okay, now 1/5 times 5 is just 1, so sorry guys, I'm going to write up here. So -2 equals 1 plus b. All right, 1/5 times 5, 1. Okay, so -1, so -3 equals b, and then just put the x's and y's back in. So y equals 1/5 x minus 3. Ta-da! And we would have got that exact same thing had we used the -5 and 4. So it doesn't matter which one you use, it'll work out. Okay, number 3, determine the slope-intercept equation of the line that has an x-intercept of -6 and a y-intercept of -5. Well, funny thing about this, I know it looks a little bit harder, but it really isn't, because an x-intercept just means that the y is 0, so this is -6, 0. And then the y-intercept, it just means the x is 0, so x 0, -5. X is 0, y is -5. Okay, so anyways, that's the idea there. Now it's just like the example 2. You have to figure out the slope. Okay, so slope equals 0 minus 5 over -6 minus 0. Oh, look, so that's going to be plus 5 over -6, or -5/6. Okay, so woohoo. All right, awesome. Then we go y equals mx plus b. So mx plus b, and y equals -5/6 x plus b. Now, we really could put in one of these points and solve for b, but remember what b is, everyone. B is the y-intercept. Wait a sec, don't we have that? Oh, awesome. The y-intercept is -5, so why do all that work when we can just do this? So the y-intercept is -5, and there is your answer. Awesome. Okay, great guys, and that is the end of part 2.